of business intelligence and artificial intelligence in one platform. So we would be connecting ChatGPT through an API into Power BI. So we asked ChatGPT how we can connect to Power BI. So here are the steps. First is to have an API key. We have generated an API key from OpenAI. This is our key. We should have the key. Once we have the key, we have to go to Power BI, get data in blank query. We paste a query code that is also generated by ChatGPT. So we simply have to follow steps one by one, and then we go into ChatGPT, connected into Power BI. So let's just move to Power BI. So here we have our Power BI screen. In the Power BI screen, step number one is to open our get data. In that, we'll search query, blank query, and we have copied the codes at one place. We copy the code. This is the code we have. It already contains the key which we have from OpenAI and the model. So these are the two main things which we have to follow once we are pasting the query inside our query editor. So just a copy paste. So we have pasted our query in the query editor. So here we got something. This something is to be explained. This something has two parts. One is question and other is input. So here we can ask our question, what is the best place to visit in budget? So this is our first query and this is our second part. What is our target? Our target is budget, and we want to know the name of the places. Once we invoke, the system will go into OpenAI and get us the answers from OpenAI into our Power BI. So here are the answers. The best budget travel destinations can vary depending on your interest, but we have asked budget. So we have Southeast Asia, Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Budapest, Hungary, and these. So we have the query and we have the answers through invoke functions. Now we have seen that this works and works absolutely well within Power BI. Now we'll have our data. So we'll have import a data set and a query within the data set and see if Power BI works with ChatGPT and how good it is once we give it our data set. So we have Excel. Now, so here we have a data set of QS World University Ranking. So we'll import the data set. So our data set is imported. We have kept the data set small because we might have a long list of data to be fetched from GPT. So we just want to look into that data set. We import the data set. We have got the data set. Now, once we have the data set, we have to go to add column, invoke custom function. Within that custom function, we can rename the function as GPT query or GPT inputs. We can name the column anything we want. And then we have query one. We can change it, rename it any way we want. For the universities, we want to ask best courses and job market. So we'll want to know the best courses offered in these universities and the job market. Once we have the drop down, we have two options. One is text, the other is column name. So we have a data, we want to give it a column. So we have index, the rank of the university institutions, location codes, location size, and other details. We'll choose institutions. So we want to know for these institutions, what are the best courses and what is their job market.